So this is the non-generic, right? This is the non-generic. Non-generics. So non-generics. So now I'm going to create with generics. So class set demo. So take the main method. So I'm going to create a generics format. What is generics format? Interface, Angular bracket, so data type. So collection name equal to new class name. So you have to put a generics on the right hand side also, data type. So if you don't specify also fine, right hand side, but one left side is mandatory. The data type you have to specify in the Angular brackets. Right hand side it's optional, but you have to put Angular brackets, empty one. Without empty, if you don't put it, will throw error. Let me show you that. Set. So I'm going to put all the right. So integer values. So this is the one integer values. If you want to place integer wrapper class, you have to use, not int int. Primitive data type, it won't, collection doesn't accept at all. Objects only it accepts. So you can put like this. If you don't want to specify an integer here, it's okay. But make sure you put the Angular brackets on the right hand side also. So import the set collection. This is called generics. This is called generics. So generics. Generics is nothing but you are specifying your collection is going to have a only integer numbers. That's the meaning of that. Now you can add it. Dot add. So only you can add integers. 20. It is dot add 100. It is dot add 20. See, I'm adding duplicates also. Where it is going to accept the duplicates or not, you can observe that. So add all also I'll use. So arrays dot as list. I can add so many. Right? So these many elements I added. Now you can print it. So let's print it. It is collection size. It is dot size. You can print HS collection also. See, it is not going to accept the duplicates. Understand? See, for example, if I add 100, here also 100, here also 100. It won't accept. Only one will return to you. HS collection is, but unordered. HashSet is unordered. I told you already. Set is unordered. You can see that. See, 6 elements only, but we entered more, right? First you entered 20, but it is returning which one? Is it ordered? Unordered collection. That's what I told you. Set is unordered collection. List is ordered collection. So list contains duplicate elements. Set contains unique elements. No duplicates are added. So while returning to you, it will return unique elements. It won't return a duplicate elements. Okay. Next. How to iterate? So you can iterate using iterator also. You can iterate using for each loop also. This is a set collection. But I want to get insertion order. Then we can use LinkedHashSet. So LinkedHashSet. See now, first you inserted 20, then 100, then 40. So that only will return to you. So LinkedHashSet, you import it. See, 20 inserted first, 100, then 40, then 9, then 3, and 7. So this is the insertion order it is returning to you. But HashSet is, there is no guarantee it will give an insertion order. Okay, so one more I want to show you. I want to arrange in alpha ascending order, right? If you want to sort your collection, you can use TreeSet. It will sort the elements of your collection automatically in the ascending order. See that. Okay, first, which one is the less number? 3, right? First 3, then 7, then 9, then 20, 40, 100. So that's how it will be written. See that. It's all in ascending order. It started. Starting, you don't need to do separately. TreeSet, if you use, your set collection will be started by default. Okay. How can you convert set collection into list collection? This is a very important. The same thing I'm going to use in Selenium WebDriver. So some of the Selenium methods will return set collection. That set collection doesn't have index-based methods. I want to access index-based. So then I need to convert that into list collection. So that's what I'm saying. How to convert set collection into list collection. So that I can access anywhere, because the list has index-based methods. So list, so integer, al equal to new, or you can put a list also, whatever it is. It's up to you. New array list, angular bracket, parenthesis. But you have to pass here set collection images. So obviously it will convert into list collection. Now you can see. So now see the AL elements. See, elements you are getting. So if you want this in before this TreeSet, or if you use LinkedHashSet, is this one. So this one here. So, order won't be there, right? There is no order. See. So there is no order. Order is not guaranteed. This is the methods are very important, and even you can iterate this collection. How to iterate set collection? How to iterate set collection? Using iterator method.
Iterator.
You can use iterator also. This one, just one example I'm just giving. Control-Shift. I'm just commenting out. Okay. For our purpose, I'm just giving that how to convert. Because one of the part I'm going to use set collection, you are going to convert into list collection. That's why I have given this syntax. And I'm going to iterate iterator, but my iterator is of type integer. Integer, it equal to hs dot iterator method. See, you got the iterator method. So iterator, you import from that java.util package it dot has next. So this out, and you can print it dot next method. It is something wrong. Slash t. Even you can use a for each loop, but not normal for loop. Normal for loop is not possible. 3, 20, 100, 740, that one. How you can iterate this. So this is how you can find out. Even you can filter out here also, however you want. Only integer numbers you want, only even numbers, or if you want iterate, you can iterate, or only odd numbers. All again the requirement based, you can filter it. So the iteration first, you should know how to iterate it, right? Once you start iterating, you can do anything. So iterate set collection using for each loop. So even you can use a for each loop also. For what is the data type of your collection? What is the data type of your collection? Int. Where is int?
Integer.
Integer. Integer, not int. Integer wrapper class. These are all objects. If I try to put int, it will throw error. See this. See this, it will throw error.
Yes.
It's not acceptable. Please understand.
Yes.
So there is no primitive data types. Collection doesn't accept any primitive data. It accepts only objects. Please understand that. Collection is basically you can store objects, not primitive data. That objects you can refer with integer class in the wrapper classes. Integer, boolean, character, byte, short, integer, long, float, double. These are the classes. So primitive data you can refer with the primitive data types. Objects you can refer with wrapper classes. So, okay. So that's all. This one. So maybe we can print it. This is how you can iterate set collection using for each loop also. Any questions? Practice all these programs.